Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to bring back status vertical style in WhatsApp. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the WhatsApp app. Now, once done, at the bottom, you have updates. So just tap on it. And then after that, you'll be able to see all the channels that you've followed. So the trick in here is that you'll have to tap on each channel, tap on three dots, unfollow, unfollow. Do the same thing to each and every channel right here if you really want to bring back the vertical style of status. Okay, so unfollow, unfollow. If you have a ton right here, I'm sorry, but this is the only way. All right, unfollow. We're in the last bit, unfollow, and after that, just swipe down and everything should be back to vertical style. All right, so that's how simple it is to bring back status vertical style in WhatsApp. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.